We are live. What's up, YouTube? Hope all is well. One of the greatest crashes since the '08 bubble has occurred today. And if you've been buying at the top, well, God bless your Discord, God bless your Signals chat, and salute to the admins in that group chat.
We are live.
Oh my God.
What's up, YouTube? Hope all is well. One of the greatest crashes.
You know what? It's connected
since the '08 bubble has
right
occurred today.
Hey, at least we know that's working.
Yeah.
All right, so now, boom. Salute all of them because we were running artificially up since the BIDEN, and I love Joe Biden, love Kamala Harris. And for those of you that think that's serious and not sarcasm, well, then you are a low frequency individual. So I know some of your portfolios, 401ks look atrocious, but historically, if you go back weeks and weeks and weeks, if you know me, flood the YouTube chat. What was I telling all of you to do with your crypto, your stocks, all the good stuff that you had? What was I telling you? Flood the chat. By the way, if you are watching on Instagram, this live is about to end. This is just a quick thing to get you to come to YouTube. We are live on X and we're about to go live on TikTok afterwards. You should be pulling over to the YouTube. You know this already. What's up, everybody in the chat? Hope you're feeling great. Yes, I had a good trade today. Shorted the market, so I'm very happy. I exited my positions. I'm a blessed man. That's all I gotta say. I was quick to get out of my things. Remember one thing, which is very easy for you to understand. When majority of people are telling you to do something, you do the opposite of that, and you will perform much better than most people in the markets overall. That's all I have to tell you. Cacao is in the building. They're saying hi to you too, madam.
Oh,
hello,
hi.
Professor Mendoza over there. What's up? Oh, very good. Stargazer know what I've been telling you guys and yelling from the rooftops for the longest. Chill out. You're up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of percentages. What I've been telling you.
Just hit sell.
Oh, damn. That's demonic right there. Just hit sell.
Just hit sell.
That's what I've been telling you for a very, very long time. And you can go back and look at my stuff. I said it. If you are up hundreds and hundreds of percentages, please just hit sell. But then you have people on the other side of social media saying, no, buy, it's going to go higher. And I'm going, hold on a second. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. If you listen to what TRUMP said in his inauguration, if you just pay attention to macroeconomics, and the most powerful politician, powerful leader of the human race is TRUMP, no matter how you want to flip it. Like him, don't like him, I don't care. I'm not here to be liked or for what your opinion is. It's just a matter of the fact. And if you don't believe it, just from the man holding one poster with numbers on it could drop the market that rapidly. So believe what you want. I'm just going to tell you. 12 years in the game of economics, and I'm telling you, the man said it. Go back and watch my videos before the inauguration, during the inauguration, and after. What did I say? One specific thing. Oil will crash again. Oil will go down drastically, and oil is down drastically. We can go down the path, but we're not going into this. This is not the conversation. Professor's right. This is the conversation for many of you, which I'll state this fact right here. Ready for this? If this is your first crash, first major drop, cool. You didn't know any better. But if this was your second, third, fourth, whatever number you're on, more than 3, you need to be slapped in the face because your greed will get the best of you. Opportunity cost is something you don't understand, which I'll talk about in a second. But before we do that, guys, on the YouTube Live, there's a pinned message. This is Trader Q&A. Whatever question you have about anything, I will answer it. So, if you see that message, jump into the Zoom Live. You don't have to show your face. You don't have to show your face. Just a clean audio. Mendoza's running this, I think, what do they call it? You're too young to know this. But they used to have this show where people can call in. I think it's called the soundboard. If someone that's around my age or older, what was those shows called where people called in and they controlled it with the soundboard or something? I forget what it's called. But Mendoza's controlling that, so I could just be here lecturing you, reading comments, and just hanging out with you guys. So join the Zoom. Madam, is there anybody in there? We're going to start that in a second, but not yet. We got someone in there?
Just a guy from the door. Marshall.
Marshall's in there? Okay, Marshall, we'll get to you in a minute, but can you drop the link again? Yeah. The link to get into the Zoom. So you guys start flooding that in, but I will... Hotline, yes, Eric. I don't know why I forgot that. Eric, thank you. Radio show, no, Eric got it. The hotline is open. My assistant is managing everything, the comment section, the Zoom, all of it. It's a switchboard. Yeah, it was hotline, switchboard. So when you jump in, she's running that show right there. There's the link again. Thank you, madam. But let's talk about it, right? The S&P 500, the health of America. One thing I can tell you. Hello, Marshall. I got you, Marshall. If you think the market was just going to run, let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. Again, keep coming into the Zoom. I will take you. You don't have to show your face. I know how some of you are. But before I even talk about this, right? Let's talk about, everyone, have your books out. You already know, have your books out. Let's do it. By the way, Instagram, the minute I sit down and take my first call, I'm ending the live here. So pull up to the YouTube live, Tuesday, Friday. You know this. Every Tuesday, Friday, 8 p.m. To understand the present and future, you must understand the past. The stock market goes up majority of the time. Comes back. Minor drop, goes up. Drop, goes up. And if you notice, who knows on what page, if you were paying attention in this book, what page was this obvious slapping you in the face? But I know, your Discord, your Signal chat, your admin, all of them, I know. When will you learn to stop relying on other people's biases? There are certain people that think that's it, up. Then there's certain people that are bears. You got major bulls, you got major bears, and they have their biases. Me too. Don't think I don't either. But you need to learn to decipher the markets off the charts, micro and macroeconomics, straight. Flood the chat. What? Are you taking requests? Yeah, bro. The link was just dropped. Can you drop the link again, please? You're going to have to drop it multiple times because people don't pay attention. It's okay. Human race. The human race is fascinating. Because it's pinned. It's dropped 3 times already. Very good. I see people read the book. Page 41. Page 41. If you notice, and all I want you to do, there's a reason why I wrote 3 books, is to make, oh, by the way, the code, TRUMP, the market has crashed because of the man himself. So if you want a discount on the books, not this one, you cheapskates, not this one. All the other ones, the code is T1. I told you, go watch the old, they're all there. They're all there. XRP is dropping. I said warning on the XRP. Warning, XRP. It has more room to fall than to go up. What stage is this? Flood the chat. What stage is this? Flood the chat. Check on your phone on X. How's X doing? Sometimes X be tweaking. Sometimes it's not video, it's audio. Elon hasn't figured out X yet. He'll get there eventually. I believe it'll be the greatest social media platform when he figures out the live, I guess. Let's go. Let me know. What stage was it on before the drop? What stage? Mr. Ahmed says stage 3. Page 100. Page 100. Ashraf, stage 3. What comes after a long stage 3? A very long stage 3.
Yeah, it's fine.
It's good? Cool. Thank you, madam. How did I cut myself? What the hell was I doing? Can I get a napkin? Paper towel or something, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. And if you notice, look where it stopped. Look where it stopped. But I know support resistance doesn't work. Thank you, madam. How did that happen? What did I cut myself on? There's nothing sharp here. End of all of it, when the dust settles. Professor, how did you know? I wrote 3 books on the subject. I've been doing this long enough. I'm not obsessed with infinite amounts of... It's just going to go infinitely. Your job was to hit sell when it just started hitting. If you have my book, again, last time I checked, I lost count, but I think 6,000 or 7,000 of these were sold. This one, just this one, right? Over the years.
Just hit sell.
And if you notice this, but I want to hold on a little bit longer, you will eventually learn, because you know what's going to happen? Do you know what's going to happen, right? Let's do it. I'll do this a little bit more, and then we're going to take some questions. So again, is it just me, or the live, or does it keep freezing? Is the live freezing?
Not right now.
Someone would have mentioned if it was freezing. Yeah. It's good? Yeah, it's good. Crystal clear, 4K. Everything looks crisp. Today is, because I'm going to save this live per usual. Today is April 4th. 4/4/25. 25, right?
Yes.
Cool. What do you think in the next year, next 2 years will happen? It's good now. Yes, it was. Yes, it's laggy. It's freezing. On and off. Freezing, freezing.
It's okay.
We're watching it here. It's crystal clear.
Some people say it's fine. Some people say it's
Huh.
freezing. I don't know.
Maybe lower your kbps. Bring down the quality. Because we have it open on this side. And it's crystal clear. Yeah, it's glitching, they're saying, madam. No, I know, but it's fine on our side.
Yeah. I don't know what to do.
No, I know, it's I had to leave and come back. Okay, cool. All right. It's good now? Yeah, because it's... Close it and come back. We are on 4K. Maybe that's why? We're streaming on 4K. Maybe the quality, maybe lower your quality to 1080p. Maybe, I don't know. Quality on 480p. Yeah, just low. Maybe we're just on very high quality. So back to the point. Let's jump to the future. Let's have a future talk. So this thing falls and falls. Cool. I'll say that again. We're still live on Instagram?
We're good. Yes.
People are saying nonsense in the chat?
No. we're
No.
just checking.
What will eventually happen? What is the highest probability of happening 1, 2, 3, 4 years from now? Flood the chat. Let's go. What is the highest probability of happening? Flood the chat. What do you think will happen? Let's go. Let's go. Madam, can you get me the stainless steel mason jar? Okay, that's fine. Is this the tangy from yesterday? I don't want that one. There's white stuff on there. I don't know what the hell that white stuff is. See those little flaky thingies?
What?
No, I know it's fine.
This is from...
Today or yesterday? Let me see it. Put it in front of my face. Yeah, I don't want it. I see white. I don't know what that white stuff is. It looks like flakes. I know it's from the... I don't know. I just don't want it.
You know what that is? That's the powder, not fully mixing.
I'm sure you're right, but I don't know. My conscience is saying no. It will go sideways and go fully rebound, up, well, to the moon, no more inflation. SPY will find support, up. The market, majority of the time, goes up, up, and away. The market, let it fall. Stop buying the dip randomly because someone told you on the internet.
What?
YouTube keeps saying an issue, but I don't see it. Because you're live, you're watching the live. And there you go. I think I'm gone. Look. I guess just keep watching it here, I guess maybe. It looked like it was glitching. See, look on the left? My face kept freezing. Stop buying the dip randomly. Buy the dip strategically. I spelled it wrong. Doesn't matter. What do I mean by the dip strategically? Flood the chat. Flood the chat. What do I mean by the dip strategically? Let me know. Let me know. All right, I see you, Akil, Shakir, Marshall. I see you guys. I'm going to get to everyone. Let me finish my little lecture, and I will get to everyone on the Zoom live. Drop the link again, please, madam. Again, use the code TRUMP, get a discount on the books, learn to become independent. I lowered the quality now. Yeah, I figured that. The quality is on, I'm streaming on 4K. So maybe your hardware can't support that quality. So just lower it to 480p and not 4K. That'll help. That'll help. Let it confirm a stage 1. Okay. At support levels, dollar cost average. Buy at key levels of support. Very good. Some people paying attention. When you see on a bigger time frame, buy it in portions. Very good. Buy the dip strategically. When your stock or crypto has fallen drastically, wait for it to pause at a key zone or key level. Mentorship students, you know what I'm talking about. You know what stock I told you about. You know exactly what I'm talking about in the highlight section of the secret tickers I've given you that are just going to be phenomenal for you guys. But that's what you should do. If I could just ask you for one thing, this new cycle, because we're officially in a bear market, right? Let's see how long this bear market lasts. I'm going to say a few more things and then I'm going to take calls as promised. I'm going to take calls. The link is right there again. We got to use common sense. My assistant is dropping the link. Jump on the Zoom. You don't have to show your face. The market will rebound eventually. Buy and go find tickers that you are in love with. What do I mean by in love with? Pause on that. So I'll explain. When I say in love with them, meaning you have confidence in that ticker. You believe in that company for whatever reason. You believe it will perform well and that you're happy with the low it's at. That's what I mean by that. If you're buying things randomly because some weirdo on the internet selling you, then I don't know what to tell you. You're going to regret every decision you make. That's what I will tell you. So that's my breakdown about the market. I'm going to take calls now. We're going to end the Instagram. Instagram, get on the YouTube. Day Trade Professor. Enough of this. End the live, madam, please. And then take Marshall first, please. And then start the TikTok live. But let Marshall jump on, please.
Okay.
We're done with Instagram? Cool. And come on. Shut off. Off.
Alright, can I unmute him?
Yep. Mr. Marshall, you are on mute. Talk to me. Ask me one question, my brother. You have to unmute me too. Did you remember how to do it?
Oh yeah, wait.
Yes.
Here and then there we go.
Marshall, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Talk to me, my brother. How you doing today?
Not so good.
Tell me why.
But, right here is 2 a.m. So,
It's 2 a.m. Where are you calling from? The Netherlands? Marshall?
yeah, from Netherlands.
Got you, bro. All right. Talk to me. Ask me a question.
Yes, right now I've begun to try to trade on TradeStation with $300. But I don't know which ticker I can now pick.
So you are trying to trade on TradeStation, so futures, and you want to know what ticker to trade. Is that what you're asking?
Yes.
All right. So number one, Marshall, you will be trading this ticker, MES1 okay, that's not an exclamation point. MES1 exclamation point, and I suggest you put in at least $1,000 to $2,000 in, so you have some leeway, and you're gonna buy one contract on TradeStation when you trade. That's it.
Okay.
Boom.
So, MES exclamation mark MES1 exclamation mark.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'm going to try it because like I said, I go to this. I was people trading for 4 months. I got the book like 1 month ago. I'm like an half of the book right now, but I'm happy about it because I see some of some of the things is changing in my mindset though.
Try,
So,
Marshall,
like
try
when-
the one ticker. Try the one ticker, one contract, MES, the one ticker, and then let's talk about it again. Cool?
It's good. It's good. It's good. Thank you.
Cool. You're welcome, brother. I'll see you. All right, madam, who's next? Krishna Patel, I have a question. Jump on the Zoom live. Don't ask me in the comment section.
Akil.
Akil, you are on mute. Happy Friday, brother. Akil,
Good day, Professor.
how are
Can you
you?
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you, Professor?
I'm doing well. Talk to me. Ask the question.
All right. So let me just tell you what my biggest wins have been from your teaching.
My man.
I-
Thank you, bro. Praise God. Keep going. Mashallah.
So I've been able to make the levels, and they do hit. So that's a win. And
Praise
I'm
God.
taking fewer trades every day.
Praise God. So
I'm
wait,
trying to be
Akil,
consistent.
levels actually work? You sure?
Yeah, they do. They do.
Good man. So you know what, Akil? I like you, so you won't get blocked. You're a good man. Keep going, Akil.
Right. So, Professor, my question is, so currently I'm trading crypto futures. I'm not using a margin account right now on stocks. So the only way I can short the market is by trading futures. And right now, because I'm from Pakistan, I'm limited to the number of brokers I could use to like trade the MES ticker, for example. So I don't have access to that broker, so I cannot actually trade those tickers yet. So that's why, because I also wanted an opportunity to short the market, I'm using
So Akil,
crypto
you
futures to trade.
cannot do futures yet with the brokers, fine. But you could do stocks. I'm friends with the CEO of Trade Zero, and they put Pakistan in there because of me. I asked them because I have some students from Pakistan. So you can actually go to the link in my bio, daytradeprofessor.com, and Trade Zero, bro.
Yeah, so yes, Professor, I'm already using Trade Zero, but because in your book you said that I should first like stay away from the margin account. So I'm staying away from it right now, but because now the market is bearish, I cannot actually.
Not wrong, inaccurate,
cover the market.
Akil. Do you have this book? The How to Be a Consistent Trader book? Do you have that?
Yeah, I have the digital edition of that book.
Which edition?
So my question.
No, Akil, listen to me, bro.
Question,
Relax,
so,
relax. Akil, listen to me. What edition of my book do you have?
Fifth.
Okay, open it right now. Go to chapter. Chapter 4, Professional Level Trader, page 90. Go there right now. Everybody, I have a full chapter of inverse ETFs. I give you the top 10. If the market is falling, not if, it is, these tickers are going up, up, and away. So you don't need to have a margin account, Akil. You can trade these inverse ETFs.
Yeah. So I had that in my watch list, but I actually forgot to like trade those. But you're right, Professor, that I could trade the inverse ETFs.
Of course, bro. My book gets everything broken down for you. You gotta. That's why I tell you guys to read it 3 times.
Right.
Boom.
Right. Yes. I'll go back and read all of that again.
Boom.
So my other questions are.
Wait, Akil. Let me get to the other people. Stay on hold because I promised one question at a time, and I'm making other people wait. Stay on it. I'll rotate you back. Cool?
Cool. Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome, Akil. All right, madam. Next person. Mute Akil and get to the who's next. Shakir, my brother, you are on mute. How can I help you, bro? Ask me a question.
Professor, how you doing?
I'm doing well. Finally, someone with the clear audio. May God help me tonight. Thank you, Akil. Ask me a question, Akil. I'm sorry, Shakir?
Shakir, yeah.
Shakir, talk to me, bro. Assalamu alaikum.
Welcome. So we actually talked last.
I remember, bro. I got photographic memory. You called last time,
video,
last Q&A. Of course I
jumped in one
know.
of your Zoom calls.
Yep, I know.
Yeah. By the way, your voice is kind of glitching out. I can't hear you clearly. Like,
Jesus Christ. Can you hear me now?
I can, but there's like a delay. And shit.
Wait, are you all because bro,
can
you're
hear,
watching
like,
me on
late.
YouTube. You're watching me on YouTube. You gotta listen to me on Zoom. Mute the YouTube. Listen to me on Zoom. That's why.
Okay.
That's why there's a delay, bro.
I think it's good now. Yeah.
Okay, go. Ask me the question.
All right. So I got like all your books, and I only read the first one, and I can hear myself like 2 times. Like, is this something?
You have to
maybe
mute the
in computer?
YouTube. Mute the YouTube, bro.
A lot.
You gotta mute the
I
YouTube.
mean, I'm using my phone though.
Shut off the YouTube. I got an easier solution. Just close the YouTube, bro.
No, I mean I'm on computer. There's no YouTube viewer. I'm using my phone.
I don't know how you're hearing me twice. That's
No,
impossible.
I think he hears himself talk.
Oh, that's his audio side, not on our side. That's impossible. How about now?
Good. So the question was, like, I traded stocks, but the thing is, like, how do I get into futures? Because is this something I have to learn? Like,
Very simple.
completely new, or
No, stop. Go to my free course, daytradeprofessor.com.
No, I did that already.
There's
I
a
bought the
video
book and everything.
There's a video in there on trading futures 101, A to Z. Go watch that video.
Okay.
Boom.
So, like, that's it, or
That's it.
just have to do something?
That's it, and then come back and ask me another question.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
That's it. Go watch that entire video on trading futures, and then come back and ask me a question. Start trading. One contract, one ticker, 30 days, and then come back and ask me a question.
Okay. All right. So what about the levels though? Like, you have
One
to,
question at a time. Come back. Pause. Let's get to the next person. I'll stay on the line. I'm gonna speed through this.
Okay.
We'll get you back, Shakir. Stay there.
All right, man. All right. See you
Boom.
then.
See you. Next, madam. Who's next?
Luke.
Luke. Oh, I love Luke. Luke, what's up, baby?
Hey, good evening, Professor.
Good evening, my brother. How you doing?
I'm doing well. Thank you. I hear a double two, and I got rid of my YouTube, but that was my best suggestion.
I don't hear any double anything, bro.
But Professor, I was calling because I know the market's kind of tanking right now. Bitcoin's holding up a little bit. How do you feel about crypto right now? And actually trying to do some buying and holding on some crypto.
I got you, bro. So let's look at it right now. And I don't know how both of you are hearing double. That's weird because it's closed. They should be. I should be able to hear double too if that's the case. So I don't know how they're hearing double. You still hearing me double?
I
have no idea how that's happening.
I'm not hearing you double, but when I talk, it's echoing. So.
Yeah, that's weird because I should.
Yeah, it is. Usually I'm pretty good with this. Let me
It's okay, Luke. We'll deal with it later. Let's do it. Ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, Luke, check it out. I know the screen is delayed for you, so I'll talk you through it. So I am just going to go straight based off of page 41, Luke. You got it out right now? Luke? Madam, check. Is he on mute? Sometimes they accidentally mute themselves. He muted himself? I told you. It happens. Luke, you there?
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I must have hit mute and then it wouldn't let me.
I know. Listen, it's all good, bro. You don't even want to know the problems.
I got page 41 out right now.
All right. If you look at page 41, because here's the thing, right? I'm not going to give you my bias. I'm not going to give you my interpretation of it. We're going straight technicals. Is that what you want?
Well, I think what I was wanting is maybe some of the tickers that you currently are looking at in the crypto sphere.
No, but let me answer your first question, Luke. You asked about
that maybe
crypto.
you're interested in right now.
But let's talk about what we talked about just now, Luke. Ready?
What's that?
You asked me about Bitcoin. You asked me about the crypto. So Bitcoin, everything Bitcoin does, alt market will do next, right? So BTC had stage 1, had stage 2, 3, and looks like it fell and it's paused right here, right? Stage 4.
Yep.
So now, could it fall a little further in the 60s?
Yeah, it could.
It could. Things are not looking so hot.
But it's kind of holding on right now too, though. So
sorry?
It could, but it is kind of holding on right now.
It is holding on right now. You are correct. Now, are things looking good in the market or things are not looking good in the market right now?
Yeah, they're not looking good at all. And the first dip that the market really saw from these tariff talks, Bitcoin took a little dip too. So
correct. Not that bad because it's holding in the 80s and it's touched it multiple times. And if it breaks that 78-ish, this thing is going down hard into the 60s. And then the altcoin market will drop with it even more aggressively. So I'm going to be straight with you. So can we talk in code for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
You know what I post? Because, guys, Luke is a mentorship student. So he knows what I'm about to talk about. Luke, in the secret Instagram, you know that ticker I brought up, right?
Yes.
Okay, now they're saying there's no audio in the... Man, I don't know what's happening with other people's tech because God bless him, he just deleted it. He deleted it. Luke, ready? You know the ticker that I've been aggressively pushing for a long time, right? And all the tickers I've been aggressively pushing.
Yep.
Did I tell you to buy, or wait for my price points and my targets to the T?
Yeah, you told us to wait. You told us to wait for these targets hit.
And was I telling you...
And then also to buy it once it's below this for right now, you know?
And did every word out of my mouth for the past few months come to fruition to the T? And this is swing trading. We're not talking about scalping right now. To the T, Luke.
Yes, they have. Yeah, they've done really well.
Were people in the secret Instagram saying there's no way this could get to this price point from these major drops? Did it happen exactly?
They did, yeah.
Was I telling you like every other person on the internet, buy, record, or buy the dip, or wait was the key word I was saying.
Yeah, you were saying late, yeah.
So my suggestion to you is, and you know what I'm going to say to you, there's a better opportunity in the ticker that I mentioned on the secret Instagram, Luke.
Yeah.
Was I telling you? Luke, mute me on the YouTube, Luke. No, it's Luke, not us. It's you, Luke.
No, that was totally me. Sorry.
It's okay.
I wanted to see if we got you off on my phone, so I got you on my computer now.
I got you. But that ticker that I brought up, Luke, will be the greatest opportunity. Chill with everything else. Go for the one in the highlights that I said, the best tickers to swing, invest in the secret Instagram, Luke.
Okay, I will. Thank you for your secret Instagram. I really appreciate being able to go on there and all the effort you put into that too for us. So.
Bro, that is my way of letting you know how much I love you. When the world says, buy my subscription, pay me my monthly on the Discord, I could give a shit about these Discord and Signal garbage chats, bro. I need you to become free and independent of any man or woman, for God's sakes.
Roger that.
Yeah, so my suggestion to you is, stick to what I'm telling you. And you know what? Let's forget me. Let's forget I'm your mentor. Let's just pretend we're both traders. From a trading perspective, I'm talking swing trading, long-term investing, whatever. The tickers that I said on the secret Instagram, is it not the greatest opportunity?
Oh, there's great opportunities.
Then forget everything else, Luke. Then forget everything else.
Yep. Nope. That's what we got to do.
That's what we got to do.
I'm gonna wait for them to start going sideways and see if we can find a good entry point.
Boom. Because I will tell you this, Luke. This is the issue, and I'm not talking about you. I'm talking traders in general. They are in multiple Signal chats, Discords, following multiple people's, and they're just confused. Madam, when they ask questions about how to join stuff, like they're asking, can you just answer so I can just talk to Luke, please? Yeah. See that guy saying?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. When the world is telling you this, all I'm saying is, look at the chart, Look at the bigger picture. If you're up hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of percent, hit sell. Luke, is it not common sense what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, it's common sense. And after going to your mentorship too, I was able to catch some really nice runs up and then get out of those right before they go down, because I saw the stage 3 happening. And I mean, it's just reinforcing all the stuff that you've taught me.
Correct.
So,
that's all. That's all I want you guys
now,
to do.
This year, starting to take hold of my own portfolio like that instead of just throwing it in my 401k and letting it go up and down. And you get 3% last year and 5% the next year. It's like, holy moly, dude! I got 10% in 1 month.
Yep.
And then I got out. So
that's all I'm trying to say, Luke. That's all it is. At the end of the day, I won't always be here, bro. And I know for a fact that you guys need to learn to become independent and stop listening to people on the internet. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Stop watching CNBC and whatever this freaking thing is. They don't know any more than anyone else. The answers are in the charts.
Yep.
Anything else? Luke, you're a mentorship student, so if you have another question, you can ask me as many as you want. Non-mentorships can only ask one.
I'm good for right now. If I do end up having another one, I'll come back on.
Done, Luke. Thank you as always. And when you coming back? I missed your energy in class. When you coming back to me?
Hopefully in the fall.
All right, because after May, the last mentorship is May in New York, and then I'll be in Mexico for 3 months, and then I'll be back in September. But yeah.
Yep.
Thank you, Luke.
Yep, and then you'll be back in September. Yeah, I'm planning on coming back to New York sometime this fall.
Done. So I'll see you in September, bro. Thank you, Luke.
Thanks, Professor. Take care.
You too. For those asking about the secret Instagram, you all have to be a mentorship student. You have to either come to a New York class or a Mexico class to get in. My assistant just dropped the link right there. You can sign up. The next class is May, and then I'm out the country. I am out the country for 3 months. You can come to Mexico. And we have a 7-day mentorship in the Mexico, a private retreat for traders. We live trade every day. We talk every day. We do excursions together, breakfast together, dinner together. It's a beautiful thing. And then you get in the secret Instagram where I give you the real deep analysis. So that's where you get it, not the regular Instagram. This is stuff I give to the mentorship students as a reward, as a thank you for their loyalty. So, boom. All right, next person, madam. Again, guys, the link is pinned in the YouTube live. For those watching on TikTok, those watching on X, go to the YouTube, and there's a link, and you can come and ask questions.
Peter,
hey, bring him on. Peter, my brother. How you doing, Peter? Can you hear me, Peter?
Professor, can you hear me?
Yo, nice and clear. Thank you for having a good microphone, Peter. Appreciate you.
Can you hear me? You can hear me?
Crystal clear, my brother.
Beautiful. Boom, boom, boom.
How you doing, Peter? I miss you, man. When you coming back to class? I miss you.
I'm coming back, Professor. I'm trying to get some of my friends to join your mentorship so I could be there for them also.
Let's go. Why are you bringing other people, bro? Candles don't work. Levels don't work. What are you doing?
Candles don't. Listen, Professor, you know what works for me? I buy Cracker Jack. I open up the little the toy treat inside of it. I rip it. It gives me a code. I win some moves.
You know, Brenda, my assistant, is sitting here. I don't think she knows what a Cracker Jack. Do you know what a Cracker Jack box is? Hell no, you don't.
popcorn?
Caramel popcorn. They have a little toy inside and things. Oh, you know what that is? Oh, damn. I didn't think your generation knew that. But Peter, thank you. But why are you bringing all them? What's the main thing you're telling them about my class that's making you bring your friends?
That you are sincere.
Stop it,
You're
Peter.
the real deal. And I'm giving them an opportunity to move on in life from what they're currently doing, what they're not happy doing, their 9 to 5 anymore, and to have that financial freedom, location freedom,
Appreciate you, Peter.
and time freedom.
Nothing makes me happier when a lot of you pass mentorship, tell your friends and family, and they come. Like, I don't know if you know, you haven't met him. Chris Figueroa, he brought 7 of his co-workers from prison, and one of them quit their 9 to 5. The second one's working on it, and the third one's about to do it. And nothing makes me happier. I just want people, forget the 9 to 5 thing. I just want people to do what they want to do. Even if it's a job they like, just do what you want to do and have another paycheck. That's all I ever say trading is.
100%. The only problem is a lot of people out there have no common sense, Professor.
Well, you know this. Common sense is not common, Peter.
They don't think it's real. They don't give themselves enough time to read your book, watch the QR codes, get a lot of screen time in there. That's very important to get screen time in there so they understand the wicks, the candles, the trend. Don't go against the trend. Listen to the news, and follow your instruction.
Correct.
If you follow your instruction, okay, we're going to be 70 to 80% win rate. If you don't listen to the professor, then take a walk. And I'll be the first person to say that to anyone that bothers you, Professor.
I say the same. No, you know what? I love that you said the win rate thing, because you know what? Let me see what my win rate is for today. Let me see. Not today, but my performance this. Let's see how well I'm doing. How was your win rate for this time, Peter?
Professor, I've been trading super fast in and out.
Me too.
Because it's been very choppy. So the trend goes in your direction, and that one candle can come, and you have buyers and sellers are just attacking that time frame at the same minute. So it's just better to get out and wait for another setup and hit your level and get back in. It's not worth staying too long, because otherwise you're going to lose.
100%, Peter. I'm showing my win rate because you said 70%. I'm trying to get it to focus.
I said 70 to 80%.
Mine is 70.54. I took 112 trades, 79 win, 33 loss, but it's the focus is not happening on camera. I'm trying my best. But it's not coming. Okay, but yeah, bro, this is what people don't understand. My win rate is 70.54%. I took 112 trades, 79 were green, 33 were red. But tell them what that means, Peter. Having a 70 win rate or above, or 61% or a 51% and above. What does that mean, Peter?
It's fantastic.
This is the thing, though.
Plain simple, it's fantastic.
Correct. And this is the issue. People want a what number win rate? That's what they think they need. What number?
The people out there that are on Instagram and these Discord channels, they're looking for 100% win rates, making money up the yin yang all day long, driving the fancy cars, going out to dinner, popping bottles, going to the gentleman's club. They don't understand. You have to lose. No, there's not one trader from the past or the present that has a 100% win rate. It's
Correct.
impossible.
No, but social media has them thinking they do, Peter. I'm just going to be honest, and you know this.
So I trade pretty good, Professor, from learning from you.
Appreciate it, bro.
And the mentorship students see it. My friends see it. But I don't have a 100% win rate.
Nope. I just showed on camera. 70.54%. Like I said, I won 79 trades and I lost 33 trades. I took a lot of trades. I think I took 10 trades today and I lost a few of them, but I came out green. I made a little bit of money today. So point being, I have never sat here and said I'm a perfect trader. My win rate fluctuates between 68 to 75% win rate on a daily basis. That's what I fluctuate on. 90%? Nope. And I'm never going to. And again, this is what you need to understand. He even said it. Peter's my best performing student. We did a live together. You could go watch it on my YouTube channel. And when he's in person, we'll do an in-person sit live recording. Once we did it in the studio, but we'll do it in the classroom. But what you need to understand, this is why many of you don't make it in the game of trading. You are aiming for 100%. Oh, I lost. Ladies and gentlemen, small wins, big wins, break even, small losses. This is my win rate is that much. What do you want me to tell you? Peter, ask me a question. You can ask as many. You're my favorite student, so ask me as much as you want. The floor is yours.
I wasn't calling to ask any questions. I just wanted to hear your voice, Mendoza's voice, wish you guys well, make sure everything's okay. Let you know I will see you soon. I'm just trying to get some of the people that I've been sending. They've been buying the books, hopefully on one group. Otherwise, I'll come to a couple classes.
Thank you, Peter. The reason why I'm
Professor,
asking,
you know I got your back. Anytime anyone has any questions or concerns, I came from the Forex world, and my mentor there, I didn't have a problem with, but I wanted to diversify my education in trading, and I came to your class, and I loved every moment of it, even when I was confused, and I was having computer problems with my Mac.
Yes.
But I took it to the next level, and I never quit, and I just studied, read, practiced, inside out, and it is what it is. I love your technique,
Thank you.
your philosophy,
Thank you.
your economics, your way of trading, your way of thinking.
Thank you.
Anyone else that gets diversified that can do it, they have to believe in themselves. A lot of people don't believe in themselves. So you got to believe in yourself. This is something that you want. Then you got to make the sacrifice. Do the free class, buy the books, come to the class. If it's for you, you'll find out if trading's for you. It's not for everybody. Everyone thinks they could just do it. It's not for everybody.
Correct. If you can't handle
So if
those
you like
losses,
it, you want to be challenged, and you got ambition and discipline, then you'll do great in it.
correct. Thank you, Peter. The reason why I keep saying when you're coming is because, look at the chat, how much you pay this guy. It's okay, don't block him. It's okay, let them think I'm paying somebody, but it's okay. You can't win. Peter, the reason why I keep asking when you're coming, because a lot of my students want to meet you. That's what they really want to meet you. And I know what's going to help them because, I talked about this, right? No matter what I say, what I do, they'll learn from me. But people learn from their classmates more than the educator. Unfortunately, that's what the studies say. So that's why a lot of them want to meet you in person. So that's why when you're ready to come, you got to let me know in advance so I can shout it out on the secret Instagram. Peter's coming to this one. You guys get to meet him because, you and me are going to have a conversation on stage together and talk about what led you to success. But we already know the answer. You listen to everything that came out of my mouth and you listen and you do it, man. You don't go against the trend.
100%.
Thank you, Peter. We'll talk.
Well, it's 100%. And if I wasn't certain on something, then I would send a message and ask.
Correct.
And that's why we also came up with doing the cheat sheet.
Yes, you are the reason for the
myself,
mentorship cheat sheet. Yes.
And for other students, if they can't get in touch with you, it's something that helps them as a guideline.
Correct. When the DMs come in, I'm like, look at the cheat sheet. The mentorship cheat sheet literally has that exact answer. Like, oh yeah, you're right, professor. So boom.
Yeah. Then when we had the class after class after dinner, we spoke about it. You told me to send you what I was working on, and from there, you tweaked it. It's perfect, and it helps everyone out.
Correct. Well, remember, I'm here to listen. Whatever you guys give me advice, I do it.
But that's all.
Thank you, Peter.
Have a good evening.
You too. Bye. I'll see you.
I'll talk to you guys soon.
Talk to you. Thank you as always, Peter. All right, that's Peter, everybody. Love that man. Go watch the live we did together. He does very well. Praise God. He needs a promotion. When you're authentic, you don't need to be paid. Agreed. All right, madam, who's next? Mustafa, hit it. Mustafa, what's up, bro? Assalamu alaikum. Mustafa, talk to me.
Hello, Professor. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, my brother. How you doing?
I'm good, Professor. Thank you. I'm good.
Talk to me. Ask me one question. Go.
Okay. Thank you for having me today, Professor.
Of course.
I have your books, and I have a question. I just started 2 weeks ago. Future,
Okay.
and I did good in past 2 weeks,
Good.
and I'm trading MNQ.
No, you're going to do MES. You're not doing MNQ. You just started trading. No. Change that on Monday immediately. Understood?
Yeah, I like it was fast. Monday, okay.
You're not doing
MES.
MNQ. That's something you do after maybe 3 to 4 months of consistency. No, I'm looking after you, bro.
Okay.
Keep
Yeah, I
going.
was doing good. Then just in 2 days, I lost again everything.
Of course you did. See, I didn't even need him to tell me that. I didn't need you to tell me that. I already knew that conversation was coming. MNQ is only if you have consistency. MES, bro. That's all I have to tell you. Because if you made money already, then you already know what to do. You just didn't do one thing, and I know what you didn't do. You didn't do?
Just hit sell.
Right or wrong, Mustafa?
Yeah. Second,
You didn't do this, did you?
Just hit sell.
I can't hear you, Professor.
Did you hit sell?
Professor, there is echo. I can't hear you well.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Did you hit sell?
Second.
It's not me. Everyone else was hearing me. Mustafa, fix your
Yeah, there is
phone.
echo.
Can you block
Hello?
that guy? Can I have the free class? Block him.
I thought you meant free course.
No. Block him.
Just wait to see what he meant.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Mustafa, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Did you hit sell? Did you lose money because
Yes.
you didn't hit sell?
Yes, I didn't hit sell.
I know, that's what I'm
I
saying.
didn't hit sell.
Of course you didn't
But
hit sell.
The 2 days I was losing, I didn't hit sell.
I know. All your problems are caused by...
Just hit
I
sell.
wasn't fast enough.
I know.
Wasn't fast enough.
I know, Mustafa, I know.
Yeah.
When the world says, hold on to it, trade all
I was
day.
holding, and he took all the profit back.
I know. Bro, I already know all your problems. I've been doing this long enough. You need to trade MES,
Yeah.
one
So now,
contract,
yes.
and then get your ass to my
Okay.
class, Mustafa.
And so my question is, sometimes I'm trading a trade station with trading view. I do everything as you say, and I follow the free classes, everything. And so sometimes
It's freezing.
when I was trading MNQ, so there's a margin call. So they taking me out when I was losing some
It's
level.
because you did not have enough money in your account and you were getting hit with the margin call. That's why it automatically took you out of your account. You were losing.
Yes.
Yep.
But it was coming on the way again, so they stopped me out.
Because you are trading something too fast for you, Mustafa.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay. I
That's
will
it?
start Monday with MES.
MES. Mustafa, we'll talk. Keep me updated.
Inshallah. Thank you,
welcome.
Professor. Thank you so
Assalamu
much.
alaikum.
I start the future because of you. I watch videos. I quit options.
Hey!
I was
Wait,
doing,
before now I got a question for
zero
you.
Options. I quit.
What do you like better, options or futures?
No, futures.
Tell me why.
Yes. So I lose a lot of money on futures. Options.
Uh-huh.
And it was zero DTE.
Yeah. Oh God, you're a gambler. You are a gambler.
Yes.
Mustafa,
I realized
you're a
that
Muslim.
was,
You can't
a
be
mistake.
gambling. Enough.
Yes, I stopped already. I quit that side of option.
Good.
No more option. I stopped.
Good.
Then I had the books. I almost half of the books, and I followed the free course, everything.
When are you coming to
And
class?
I'm good. Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And because I have some experience of the trading,
Mustafa, when are you coming to my New York class?
inshallah, I will come. I was saving that money, Professor. I did some 3,700. I was saying finally I had the money, then boom, the market take everything back.
You have to hit sell, bro. If you really want to come to the class, hit sell.
Yes. I have to make some money on the future. Then inshallah, and I'm sure.
God
When
willing.
that I have the 6,000, makes the 6,000 on the future. I'm coming to your
That's
class.
what I want to hear. Pay it from trading.
Yes.
Inshallah.
Yes. Inshallah. Thank you.
You're
Brother.
welcome,
Thank you
Mustafa.
so much.
Listen, have a good weekend. I'll see you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a good weekend.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Who's next, madam?
Mike Contos.
Mike? What's up, baby? Talk to me.
Hey, what's up, Professor?
All is well, Mike. How can I help you tonight?
Yes, I have a speech problems, so I apologize.
No
in
worries.
advance.
No worries.
My question is, when you make these levels, would you prefer to do them the Ikenashi candles first or with regular candles?
Mike, do you have my How to Be a Consistent Trader book?
Yes, I have the 4th edition, the 5th, and I just got new books also.
Damn, I appreciate you, bro. Thank you. So, Mike, do it levels on regular candles, then go to Ikenashi, my brother.
All right, I appreciate that.
Wait, that's
Thank
it?
you.
I love it. That was quick. Thank you, Mike.
That was it.
Thank you, bro.
I appreciate it.
Of
Thank you,
course.
sir.
All right, madam, wait, before you do the next caller. Guys, we're going to do a giveaway tonight. We're going to pick 3 people. So we're going to pick 3 people because I promised on, what's the other one? X and Instagram on that post. Guys, after this live ends, 6 people. I know I said 3, but I did post on X. So I'm going to pick 6 people to do a 5-minute video call. So 5-minute video call, and we're going to knock that out. So give me the next caller, and then go on your phone, your iPhone, and find me 3 people on that post. You know the post about the chart? Mm-hmm. Find me 3 people. Mm-hmm. Pin them and DM them. Okay. Next caller, who is it?
Hiram.
What is it?
Hiram.
Hiram? All right, Hiram. What's up, baby? Talk to me. Ask me a question. Hiram, can you hear me?
I had to unmute it. Do you hear me?
I can hear you, bro. What's up?
How are you, Professor?
I'm doing well, Hiram. Talk to me. Am I saying your name right? Hiram?
Hiram.
Hiram. Sorry, bro. Hiram.
Sorry.
Yeah. So I have a simple question. So I have your books.
Thank you.
I just have to compliment you before I ask you the question.
Go for it.
I've been trading for over a decade, and I learned somewhere else. And for a long time, I've been struggling, and I took a lot of losses. But then I found you. Now, I recently retired. It's been 2 years. So I retired, and I decided I wanted to trade for a living at this point. So I came across your videos and your way of trading, and I started to utilize that with what I already knew. And it was like a grand slam for me. My account in 1 month grew 26% because of your style.
Praise God, bro.
And I use that along with mine. So
Praise
I
God.
had to give you compliments for that, because on top of all of this that just happened, I just had gotten into an accident with my family.
Are they okay?
And my car was badly damaged.
Damn.
It just was Friday.
Damn.
It's been a week. So the damage, now it's all falling on me. I have to pay for everything, and so be it. It is what it is. But because of your trading, that money was already recouped in my account before this happened. So that is the money that I'm using to pay for everything.
Praise God, man. He's not.
So it is
guys,
it's a blessing.
I don't even know this guy. I know some of you watching think everything's fake and he's a paid actress. I don't even care. But I don't even know this guy, and he's saying all this, and you wonder how everything in my life works out, right? Sometimes we're out somewhere and you're like, how is everything? Because I help people. I don't even know this guy. I've helped him through his life struggles, and in return, God blesses me with how everything just works out flawlessly. Boom. I appreciate you, man.
I tell you, it's been great. I was the one that told you once before that I've been making profits because of you, and I bought your books because of it.
Thank you, bro. Is there anything I can do for you more? I really appreciate all the nice things you said, man. Is there anything I can do extra for you?
I don't know. Right now, so I called to ask a question. It was really more to praise you and say thank you.
Appreciate it.
For everything.
Thank you.
But I guess my one question is, I learned Ikenashi candles because of you. I didn't know how to use them. I didn't know how to read them. And I'm still a little iffy on it. But my question is, how do you on your entries, how do you confirm your entries with those candles?
Well, see, this is something, now, I'm again, I appreciate you, but this is something that I can't say I have to show you live in class type of question, my brother.
Understood.
This is like something we do in my 3-day New York class, right? We're on the Monday live trade. We do it with real money on the charts, and I show you exactly how I do it, bro. I would love to answer it, but I can't just, I can say it, but it won't make sense until you see it live.
I hear what you're saying.
Yeah. So that's just the truth. There's nothing I can say. I have to show you, bro. 12 years in the game of doing this. So,
yes.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
When you come in
I mean,
class.
listen, for what I've gotten from you so far, it's been good.
I appreciate it. I try my best in everything I do, man. And that's all I do. I just try my best. You can't please the world. Let the world burn.
Right.
I just try my best, and my people come to me, and that's the end of the story right there. I could care less what the world does.
Right.
They can make fun of me all day. This guy trades for 20 minutes.
I don't know why. Listen, if they aren't, because obviously they don't know what they're doing.
Yep.
But like I told you, I've done this for a while.
Yep.
But where I came from, they wanted you to sit in the trade much longer.
Yep.
But at most times, what would happen is you either breaking even or your stops are getting hit.
Yep.
And more than likely, the stops are always being hit.
Yep. Bro, I've been doing this for so long.
And
People live in their own little reality. They don't understand that we got into the trading world to have our time back. Not sit there all day, man. But this is the beautiful thing about the internet. I could care less. Let them follow the wrong person. Let them follow their own false realities. I'm cool with it. Those that want to come trade for 20, 30 minutes, let's make money and go live your life, bro. I literally live on my time.
I'll tell you, you don't even have to give those any energy. It's not worth it.
Nope.
You do have to put your time in. I tried it, and I used to spend 8 hours, 10 hours in front of the charts. And I said, I can't keep doing this because I got to be with my family.
Yep.
So once I ran across your classes, I realized, you know what? I could do this like you were saying. And someone else has said this to me too. Some people that I know that traded. And they always said, just make your money and get out.
Yep.
But it clicked more with you.
Appreciate
For
it,
whatever reason, it was you and your style. So when that made sense to me, it finally clicked. Then I started doing it, and I tell you, my account jumped, and I couldn't believe it.
Appreciate it, bro. Listen, that's all I try to do.
So
that's why I'm here every Tuesday, Friday.
Yeah, no, you're doing a wonderful thing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor.
You're welcome, brother. Have a good night.
All right. You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
You know, I told you this quote, right? Who's the next person? But don't get him in yet. You know, you can mute it. I told you this quote. Someone asked the prophet, how do you know God loves you? And they said, when God loves you, humanity loves you. God tells the angels, Gabriel, all of them, go let the world know that I love him. And the people, you notice the love I get from the people? That tells me I'm his favorite. That's how I know. And the people, by the way, the people that don't believe in any of this, I don't care. I will be here Tuesday, Friday till the day my heart stops ticking. I will show up here every Tuesday, Friday. Oh, speaking of, guys, I will be in Puerto Rico next week. So today's Friday. Next Tuesday is the last live on YouTube. I will be going to Puerto Rico, and we will be doing lives. The lives don't stop. We'll be live from Puerto Rico twice a day, every day in Puerto Rico when I'm there. So the lives are moving over to Instagram. So constantly, I'm there for my Puerto Rico mentorship. We are live trading every single day, Monday to Friday, futures. We wake up in the morning. My assistant is coming with me. She'll be making breakfast for the traders. You've never made eggs yet. You made everything she makes is good, but she hasn't made eggs. I'm excited.
Great.
I believe you. I never said you just haven't made them for me. So she'll be making breakfast for all the traders. I can't wait to see you guys, have breakfast with you guys, because I'm always alone. Well, she's here now, but I'm usually just living a lone life. Like, I don't really interact with many humans. But I love it. You know, she's the only person I interact with. Like, I love interacting with her. But usually it's just me. Like, when I'm not around, she goes, I'm going to lose my mind. I feel like I'm losing my mind. So, yeah. Next person. Who's next? Drop the link again. Cecilio. What's up, baby? Talk to me. How can I help you, Cecilio? Is he on mute?
Yeah, I already clicked.
Cecilio, can you hear me? Check. 3, 2, 1. Cecilio?
Yeah, hello?
Yep. How can I help you, bro?
Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
I can hear you, bro. Ask me a question.
Okay, hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm calling from Nigeria.
Welcome, bro.
Okay, I wanted to ask about the current market, the current volatility in the market, how Trump's tariffs was going to affect the market.
Okay.
What do you think? Do you feel our strategies are still going to work? Do you think we have to learn new strategies?
Let me ask you a question. Ready? You ready, bro?
Yes, go ahead.
Okay. I'm going to ask you a question. I just want you to tell me true or false. Don't say anything else. Cool?
Okay, cool. Yes, cool.
No matter what happens with the market, does the market go up, down, and sideways? Is that the only three things it does? True or false?
True.
Okay, true. Cool. Guys, flood the chat. Get on this conversation. Second question. Is your only job as a trader to just hit sell no matter how the market condition is? True or false?
False. You can hit buy, right?
No, when I mean just hit sell, that means the sell button, like you get out the trade. That's what I mean when I say that. Not buy and sell.
Yes,
of course
correct,
you have to
correct.
buy.
Yes, true.
True, cool.
True, yes.
So what are you talking about? We have to change strategies. It's the exact same everything since the beginning of the market. That's all you do. Do you have to hit sell faster? Yes. Do you have to ignore the weirdos on the internet telling you weird concepts of their realities? Yes. Ignore them. Stick to what works. Follow the trend and hit sell. A lot of your confusion, and I'm just telling you, is the weirdos on the internet. Get out of these stupid discords. Stop falling into traps of signal chats. You're all distracted by it. True or false?
True. There's a lot of noise, yeah.
That's all I'm trying. You guys are all distracted by the noise, man. You're distracted by everything and anything that shows up on your algorithm. That's really the problem. You know what to do. You know how to make money. You don't know how to keep money. Because that guy's saying the market's going up, and away. The other guy's saying it's going to crash. Don't know what more to say because you all have the answer to it, man. Sounds good?
Yes.
Thank you, brother. Have a great weekend. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Next person, madam. Who is it? Ghost. What's up, baby? I always see you in the comment section. What's up, Ghost?
It's cracking, man.
All is well. Yo, it's the first time I'm hearing your voice.
Yeah.
What's up, baby? I appreciate you always leave nice comments, Ghost. What's your real name? If you don't want to share it, and where are you from?
I'm Alex, and I live in Michigan.
Nice, Alex. How old are you? You sound like a 19-year-old.
What'd you say again?
You sound like a 19-year-old. How old are you?
Man, I'm 36.
Damn, homie. All right, Alex, Mr. Ghost. How can I help you tonight?
All right, man. When I was watching your lives the last time, and you were going over the margin requirements for the futures, I noticed that on the Weibo, the intraday is like $96.
Yep.
And then if you want to trade after hours, it was like $1,600.
Yep.
But the only problem is that it's if I try to trade on in the hours of from 9:30 to 4, it doesn't let me just use the $96 if I wanted to trade. Because I know the last time you were talking about if you had $1,000 in your account, that's all you need.
Yeah.
But it keeps requiring me to add the $1,600 plus the margin for the day. I'm like,
that's inaccurate, Ghost. Are you on the Webull Futures account? Because I know Webull has so many different accounts you can sign up for. Are you on Webull Futures?
No. I was just I was doing a paper trade on that one because I actually have my broker's is Moo.
Oh, I don't know anything about this Moo broker, so I can't comment. But just be on the right area of the broker to say futures, Alex.
Okay, so that's what I thought. So you must have to have a futures account to open
Yes,
to
sir.
be able to trade that way.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Also, man, I got your books already. I
Appreciate
got
it,
them
bro.
already just fast, and I can't wait to start digging into these things and hopefully soon meet you at the classes,
I
man.
know. Listen, I already know you're coming to class. People that are the most active in the chat usually show up to class. So, Ghost, I'll see you in class. I already know I will, so it's not even an issue. I'll see you there, bro.
Oh, you know I'll be.
I know. Thank you, Ghost. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too, man.
Thank you, Alex. Bye.
Peace out.
Peace out. All right, madam. Next person. And then try to find those winners, please.
That was it, but we're going back to Shakir.
That was it? Let's do the winners.
Wait, I'm not done.
No, okay, no worries. I got you. End the live on X and give me the phone. We'll find it. We'll do it right. I'll do it right now. I'll do it on camera.
Can I use your help?
No worries. Just end the live on X. All right, X. See you guys. X is here. Give me this one. And the one on TikTok. All right, guys. I'm gonna pick the winners for the Zoom private live.
I already picked two.
No worries. And then I'll read the Quran. So let's do it. Let's do it. Congratulations. You had 98% better. Woo. Let's go TikTok. You're up 98%. I love it. I love it. Okay, cool. How do I get out of here? All right, I'm out. I'm out. Let's go to Instagram. Okay, guys, I'm gonna find winners. 3 on Instagram, 3 on X. So do me a favor, go on your Instagrams, and if you win, I'm gonna pin it right now. All right, let's do this. I love going live.
I already have the ones on X, okay?
Okay. How?
Because
Okay. All right, let me find them. Let's just do random. Let's get all of them to load. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Well, they got to get the answer right first. Hold on.
that's what I
Yeah,
was
yeah. Let me
saying.
get the answer right for not just random. This is not random. What did I ask again? Want to win a free call? Answer this. That will make you rich. Guys, everyone answer this in the chat right now. I posted this chart on Instagram of the different presidents and how the market performed, right? Answer this for me while I pick somebody. Something key that will make you rich within this chart. What do you think it is? Let's go. Thank you, Professor. I'm going to sleep. The book is the best. It changed my mindset. Appreciate you, bro. You guys, I love you guys with getting the books. Let's see. I was pissed. No one attacked me. There was no hate on this one. Actually, there was one comment about hate.
Yeah.
He's like, what the hell does this chart have to do with anything? I don't understand. I'm like, bro, if you don't know how to read a chart, hasta luego.
I saw.
Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, C-Town, you have won. Congratulations. You won the free video call. Let's copy and paste so I don't have to write that 3 times. Madam, and the other live. So can you pin it? Because I lost that message now. There's too many messages here.
I know.
I lost it. It's gone. I tried to pin it, but it's just too many messages.
No, let me see. What is
No,
it?
just use the other phone. End that live and go on Instagram and pin it.
It's so hot in here.
It's okay. We'll open the window. It's gone. But I did comment on his message. I said you won the live. Just pin it.
Okay.
There you go. This guy won. Bucky, you won. Good job, Bucky. You gotta learn my AI keyboard, bro. You're driving me crazy by changing this keyboard.
What?
You got the keyboard. You keep changing the damn keyboard. Keep it on my AI keyboard.
What if I'm using it?
Congratulations, you won. You're just not used to it. You got to get used to it. It's 100 times better.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Not at all.
And it's gone. Shit.
How do you keep losing
It just disappears, woman. All right, one more person. Whoever's getting that message, please DM me right now. One more person. All right, this guy, I love it. All right, Cyber Bull, you have won. Did you find them? All right, I found the 3. All right, go pin those, please. And let's go to X.
I already have the ones for X.
It's okay. You can't comment on them. Jesus, Elon, stupid ass pop-ups. All right, here we go. SOG, Aubrey and Shaquille. Madam,
I already have.
can you comment on them? Because you're not paying attention. Can you just comment on them? All right, guys, let's do it. Those that won, DM me right now on Instagram. On Instagram, let's do a call on that. Let's do a call. Chapter out the Quran. Let's go. Random. Here we go. I like this one. Chapter 20, Taha, verse 128. It is not yet clear to them how many peoples we destroyed before them, whose ruins they still pass by. Surely in this are signs for people of sound judgment. Had it not been for a prior decree from your Lord, O Prophet, and a term already set, their instant doom would have been inevitable. I like this. This has to do with the market, right? Let me read the first sentence again. It is not yet clear to them how many we destroyed before them. The market has fallen drastically many times over. This is not the first time. As you see the bottom right here, red candles coming down, you see them. This has happened many times. If you see the clear signs, you will be much better off in the long term. That's all it is. All right, that's my live right there. Listen, I will see you all on Tuesday, 8 p.m. And then after that, that's a wrap. I'll be in Puerto Rico the week prior and the week after that. So the lives are moving over to the Instagram. So see you Tuesday, 8 p.m. Listen, if you made some money, if you shorted some of these stocks, give some of that money to your mother.